For Tuesday, March 10th, the stock market experienced a volatile session, with S&P edging 0.2% lower to 6,700 as investors balanced geopolitical de-escalation with cooling oil prices. Very large cap movements were dominated by breakthrough clinical data in healthcare and strategic AI partnerships in the semiconductor space. The top 10 biggest large cap gainers, tech and biotech, led the gains driven by specific earnings, surprises, and product milestones. Vertex Pharmaceuticals went up 9%, surged after its kidney disease drug met primary objectives in a late stage trial. Neo Inc. went up 15%, jumped following its first ever quarterly net profit and record vehicle deliveries. Western Digital went up 6%, rallied as memory demand for AI enterprise SSDs accelerated. Micron Technology went up 6%, boosted by a new partnership with Applied Materials to develop specialized AI memory. Corning went up 6%, benefited from a high demand in fiber optic infrastructure supporting AI data centers. Applied Materials was up 4%, gaining alongside Micron due to their joint AI hardware development initiative. And Intel was up 3%, recovered as broader semiconductor sentiment turned positive following late Monday's reversals. General Electric was up 3%, continued strength in the industrial sector, which was one of the day's top performing groups. Cisco Systems was up 3%, rose on steady enterprise networking demand and a broader rotation into established tech. Amazon was up 1%, gained following news of a massive $37 billion to $42 billion bond offering to fund AI expansion. Top 10 biggest large cap losers. Losers were concentrated in the energy sector as oil prices plunged and companies faced negative analyst revisions. BioNTech was down 19%, plummeted after the unexpected departure of its co-founders. Centene Corp was down by 14%, fell sharply due to shifts in the healthcare reimbursement outlook. Occidental Petroleum was down 3%, slid as crude oil fell to $81 a barrel following signs the Iran conflict could end soon. American Airlines dropped 5%, dropped after analysts cut price targets citing ongoing sector-wide pressures. Paramount Skydance was down 8%, declined after Bank of America maintained an underperform rating and lowered its price target. Palantir Technologies was down 3%, faced selling pressure as investors rotated out of high valuation AI names into value. ExxonMobil was down 2%, impacted by the rapid decline in energy prices. Chevron was down 2%, similar to Exxon, dragged down by the cooling geopolitical risk premium in oil. Grainger was down 4%, corrected after an earlier pre-market run as industrial momentum consolidated. Qualcomm was down 2%, underperformed its chip peers due to specific concerns regarding mobile handset demand. And that's today's market news. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.